Oh, this is somewhat of a problem. The babies, they're loose. They're just loose out here with nothing. I don't know how to go about this situation. I could start like picking them up or something. I can just kind of put them on this ramp and hope they go up it. That worked. I'll just grab another one. And that one came back out. Put him back on the ramp. Go up the ramp. No. Go back. Go in there. Go in there. Your family's in there. This isn't working. Come get your children. Come collect your kids, please. Yeah, you. Here, let's get a light on her. Come collect the rest of your kids, please. Why did you have so many? Why did you have to have so many children? They're everywhere. I think there's somewhere around 15 children. At least they're staying in the general vicinity here, but oh, there goes one. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem, but that'll be for me to deal with later. I got other stuff to do. Update. I believe I caught all the children. Mother chicken 11. This is your fault. Why did you have so many kids? They're not even yours. None of these are yours. Except maybe that one.